what do you do when you have multiple choices and they all seem good? Well, I think this is what God can help you with. He's going to help you in a way that maybe all these choices are not like going to be the right choice, and you're going to actually do something completely different from what you expect. So just be open to that possibility. But sometimes God just wants you to choose. God is with you. And so whatever path you take, He's going to be with you, and you need to believe that. Because if you take action on something with a high level of belief in God, that it will just work out, you will take a high level of actions with high certainty, and you will make this choice turn out to be the right one. But when you make a decision, and maybe it was actually the right decision to make, but you make it with a very low level of certainty, a very low level of belief that God will make things turn out right and that this is the right course of action that you need to take, you're going to take the very bad kind of actions. You're just not going to do a lot to make this become the right choice. You're not going to make it a success because of your low level of certainty and of belief. So what you want to do is just choose, decide. Decision is making the decision is more important than making the right one, right? Making the decision with a high level of belief and just certain that whatever thing you choose, you just succeed at anything, right? Having this belief that because you're just favored by God, and you need to believe that because if you are Christian, if you are in God's mission, and you just follow what God wants you to do, and you read the Bible, you just indulge yourself into trying to do what God wants you to do and not what you would desire to do, you are favored by God. And maybe you can know this by the experiences that you've had. And so when you walk in this confidence and you make this choice this way, it becomes a lot easier, and you are able to make the decision in the right way, not necessarily making the right decision, but making the decision in the right way with high level of confidence and belief. If you do this, your path will be straight because God will make it straight. God will make it work. Right? If you like this kind of content, like, subscribe, because you're going to get a lot of value, especially if you're Christian, if you're an ambitious entrepreneur, if you want to just grow and improve your life, become everything God created you to be, this is for you. Right? So like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one. Take care.